Today, we will show you how to install a manual lock on an aluminum door. First, measure and mark a point 900 millimeters or 850 millimeters from the bottom edge of the door. The specialty here is the installation of a lock for an aluminum door mounted on a wooden door. Host measurements and door marking. This will be the center point for the lock installation. Position the manual lock mechanism body to the marking point. Use a pencil to mark the locations of the holes. Then, carefully drill these marked locations with a hand drill. Consider the size of the manual locking mechanism. Mark the area of the door where the body sinks to form a recess that fits the mechanical body of the lock. Drill around the marked area using a drill. Place the mechanical body and secure it with screws. Place the mechanical body into the drilled rest and fasten it with screws. Make sure it fits the door well. Align the frame with the outer contour of the lock around the mechanical body. Use screws to attach the frame to the sides of the door. Make sure the frame is securely attached. Paint the protruding part of the latch that connects to the wooden door frame. Close the door and activate the lock to leave paint marks on a wooden door. These marks indicate where to drill the holes in the wooden door frame. Drill the hole with the help of a machine using a pin suitable for the machine. Use a nail or plated screw nail to remove parts of the puncture site. Check carefully again. Make sure again that it goes down well into the relevant hole. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure smooth operation of the lock. Make sure the lock is secure and working properly. And how do you install a manual lock on an aluminum door? Thanks for watching this tutorial on the SL Alubox YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more DIY guides. See you again with the important video. Until then, have a nice day.